Where are we? What is this place? Why is there a pyramid in the middle of the forest? And welcome to today's episode.
Apologies for the dramatics, folks. You know what men's like when they find something strange in the woods? They get super excited about it and have to investigate it.
Deep in the forests of Northern Ireland, hidden away like a secret from an ancient world, stands something you wouldn't expect to find outside of Egypt. A pyramid. A proper stone-built pyramid. But why is it here? And who on earth decided to build it? Well, let's find out. This is Garvagh Pyramid, a 19th century monument built by a very wealthy family, as you can tell, and quite frankly, had a flair for the dramatics. Instead of getting a ordinary headstone or a respectable churchyard plot, they thought, no. Let's have something a little bit more Egyptian. Built in the 1820s by the Cannon family, this strange and marvellous structure was meant to be a burial tomb of sorts. Is there people in there? Is there bodies in there today? Not quite. The Lord at the time, he took a trip to Egypt and did a whole big tour of it. And this was around about 200 years ago, and he came back to Northern Ireland, and he thought, you know what? I'll build myself a wee Egyptian pyramid. A grand structure where his family and family line for generations will be stored. But that never happened. No one ever got buried in here. Is there anyone in here? I suppose we're gonna have to knock the door down and find out. You wanna go in? No, he's not interested. And there you have it, folks. Northern Ireland's answer to the Great Pyramids in Egypt. A slightly smaller budget. It's small, it's bizarre, it's different. However, it makes a real standing and pointing statement. So that's it, folks. This is Northern Ireland's best kept secret in a very strange and bizarre forest. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.